Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the DiDi app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the DiDi application on your device and proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already using your phone number or your Facebook and Google account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which if you wish to delete your account, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Now from the menu page, tap on Settings and then tap on Privacy. Now within the Privacy menu, you will see the Delete Account option at the very bottom. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be told that all of your account information will be deleted. You will need to tap on the I agree button and then proceed forward, and you will be asked to enter your password in order to verify your identity. After entering your password and proceeding forward, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will be logged out from your account. Once you have been logged out from the DiDi app, make sure not to log back in for another 2 weeks, after which your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on the DiDi app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.